Hi, I'm Catherine and I'm an embroidery expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your first project. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need white cotton fabric, erasable pen, needles, scissors, embroidery hoop, threads, and a pattern. Most embroidery kits and patterns will have a level allocated to them. We have selected this free downloadable pattern from DMC to get started. This one is perfect for intermediate stitches. The pattern will come with a colour guide, technical chart, and instructions. It will have a toolkit listing everything you need, a list of thread colours, and the stitches. The technical chart will display the stitch letters and colour numbers found in the instructions. You will match them up to follow the chart. For example, E6 here is short and long stitch in the DMC thread colour 353. The technical chart will also show you how many strands of each thread you will need to use. For this pattern, it's 3. For this design, we're using a heat erasable fabric pen. Place the fabric over the design and onto a good light source like a light box. Trace the design fully onto the fabric. Once you've traced your design, place your fabric into the hoop, ready to stitch. To split the embroidery threads, take the 6-stranded embroidery thread and cut a piece. To divide the strands, split apart and hold one side as you pull away from the other. Follow the technical chart to complete your stitches, ensuring they are knotted and secured at the back. Take a look at our beginner and intermediate stitch videos to discover over 20 different stitches. Once your stitches are complete, place an iron across your work to remove the pen marks. Make sure your hoop is as tight as possible. Turn the hoop over and trim the excess fabric around the hoop to approximately 1.5 centimetres. Use 3 strands of thread to add a running or gathering style stitch to the back. Stitch the whole way round and pull tight. Knot the ends of the threads together and cut the excess thread. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project, or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon for more videos.